So when Reema came to me for the coaching, she told me, ma'am, she stuck at 5, and then she also disclosed me that she was not bothered about the part 1 because she thought it was not important, and therefore she was stuck. But let me tell you, students, part 1 is very important, and you should know the part 1 topics. The topics that I'm going to disclose are not in Makkad or in any platform on the online. So you should practice these, and they are a bit difficult, so, but very common. So if you are well prepared, well begun is half done. So do not miss this video. And for those who do not know me, I am an ex-IELTS examiner, Mrs. Anita Kundra, the only one in India, and giving you this free guidance and genuine guidance. So if you want any paid assistant, whether it is personal coaching, evaluation, or the PDFs, which are available on www.englishwithanitакундра.com, or you can message me, WhatsApp me. I can send you the materials on your WhatsApp, no problem. But see that you are well prepared. And these part 1 topics are very important, you don't get elsewhere. The topic is colors. Please note down the questions and you should practice them. What's the color you dislike? Now you were always asking like. Have you ever bought something because of its color? What is your favorite color? What it is most important, color or the size? What is the most popular color in your country? What colors do your friends like the most? Something very different this time, the questions. What color would you never use in your home? Suppose you do not use red color, maybe you use, that depends. You have to then give the reason for that, right? Okay. The next one is borrowing and lending things. When you borrow things and when you lend, you should know the difference between borrowing and lending. Borrow is when you take anything for a limited point of time, and lend when you give it away. Is that clear? So this basic things should be clear. That is why I'm telling you that if you do not understand the basics, then how will you answer the question? So let's come to that. Have you ever borrowed books from others? It could be yes, it could be no, or you just buy your own. Have you ever borrowed money from others? Maybe it's not a tradition in your family. So that's a negative one. Don't think negative answers give you a low score. Your ideas should be relevant and to the point, and they can be very simple. No problem at all. Okay, that's the tips I'm giving you. And of course, ideas also. Do you like to lend things to others? Maybe you don't want to lend you anything that you like a lot. How do you feel when people don't return things they borrowed from you? Obviously, you're not going to like it. Or sometimes you can also say that you don't care. Now, the next one is stories. Do you prefer listening to stories or reading them? So maybe you are listening or reading. You have to compare also, and you can tell your preference and include that why. Give a reason. Did you love stories in your childhood? Maybe you have not loved, it's okay, but generally people or the children, they love. Then the next one is hats and caps. Now this is something that is really absurd, because we Indians do not wear, we do wear caps. I do wear a cap in winters. Okay, so the first one is, do you like to wear hats? Now there's a difference between the hat and the cap. What kind of hats do you have? So maybe you don't have any. Is wearing hats popular in your country? Not in India, maybe in UK. Why do people wear hats or caps? So you can give a reason. Did you used to wear a hat when you were a kid? So maybe you were wearing or not wearing. Where do you like to buy hats or caps? So it can be the slip of the tongue. For once, there are others like sitting also, and dreams, collecting things, These are important, but they are given in the others also. And if you want some idea, some cue card, something that is to be done for which you want the guidance, I am there for you. Okay, for any paid assistance, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, and my materials are on www.englishwithanitакундра.com.